Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to customize your notification settings on Steam. First, open your Steam app. If you do not have it installed, go to the official Steam website and download it. Next, log into your account using your username and password. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click the Notifications tab. Here you will find several options to manage what types of notifications you receive. Start by adjusting friend notifications. You can choose when Steam alerts you about friends joining games, sending messages, or other activities. Next, review Steam notifications. These include updates about sales, new releases, and community news. Select the types of alerts you want to see, customize each section to match your preferences, and reduce unnecessary pop-ups. And that is it. You have just personalized your Steam notification settings. This helps create a cleaner, more focused gaming experience. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.